Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can buy gift cards on Eneba. So once you're on eneba.com, you can either search it up, gift cards, or you can just press here, e-gift cards. Just click on that. And then here, there's going to be a lot of gift cards you can choose from. I'm just going to pick Razer Gold here. Any other thing will work. But once here, you can choose the value like 20, 50. You can also have another offer you can add in if you want. But once here, just click buy now. And here you'll be presented with this page. Just click on proceed to checkout. And then here, pick your payment methods. I'm going to pay with PayPal. And then just press continue. And then they'll send you an email address. I'm going to just put in this, continue. And then just say pay with PayPal. And once you've confirmed the payment, you can just complete the purchase. I'm not going to complete it because I don't want to buy this actually, but once you've completed it, it'll show up and your e-gift cards can be claimed.